Hello and welcome to Zeke's Garage. Today I'm on kind of a boring project day here. I just fixed the stereo in my daily driver, my 2015 Toyota Corolla. And right now I'm sitting in my scrap metal truck. You guys have seen this on the channel. I've done a lot of work on it here. So I figured I'd film this for the channel. Why not? I have a condition in this thing that's kind of crazy. When I'm driving this thing at night and I have the headlights on, my brights are on all the time. Then when I activate my turn signal switch, my brights go out and my turn signal works. Kind of weird. I can pressurize the stick right here a little bit and make the brights go out. So I know it's this multifunction switch that's in here that has all of this stuff on it. So that's about what I'm about to do here, is take this steering column cover and dash apart to the point where I can change this multifunction switch. So let's get going on that. All right, so it looks like I've got to pull all of this dash stuff off right here. There we go. And this is made easier by the fact that this guy's a standard instead of an automatic, because the automatics you got to pull it out of gear and do all that messing around, but not with this guy. All right, I'm gonna need two hands here. Let me set this camera down. See if I can still get you guys a shot here. There we go. All right, now to get this steering column apart. Okay, next is this panel in the door. Well, in the end of the dash, you gotta open the door to access it. And now I've got to get all the screws in the bottom here to get this panel out of the way so this panel will drop. Adjust the steering column up, and then I'm going to pull this lever. Just pull pretty hard, it comes right out. Okay, next is this cover here on the bottom of the panel, or the steering column. T25 Torx. There and here, I believe. Yep. Boy, this one's all over the map, like he's stripped or something. He's out though. Okay, those two. And then this guy, I believe, should just come off. Okay, so there's a trick to it. It looks like pull it down and then it's got to go forward. Nothing's ever easy, right? Especially with this plastic stuff. So yeah, see these hooks? You had to pull it down and then push it forward towards the front of the vehicle. All right, on to the upper piece. And I think it's just that one screw that's up in here. Figure out what size that guy is. Okay guys, we're looking up from the bottom of the steering column. There's a screw right here at the end of my finger. That's a E6 or a 4mm, I'll get it. Okay, that was a trick, so I did it off camera. But there it is. And then this guy can come off. do this one-handed. There we go. All right, she's off. Now we can see the multifunction switch here. Nice. All right, I was thinking my switch had a harness on it, but it doesn't. It's a plug-and-play style. So that makes it easier. So all I have to do is get this screw out and this screw out and pull this guy off and unplug the harnesses and swap a roo. So let's get her done. So I just took the top screw out, but I can't access this one through the side. So let's try something here. Okay, that's something I want to try. Is I'm just going to turn the key. Turn that off before I get in trouble with YouTube. And I'm going to turn the steering wheel. I can do this with one hand. Let's see. Sorry about the bad filming here, guys. Let's see if I can set you down and if I can get her to stay, we can get this guy right here. Boy, that's still going to be a stretch. I think I need a extension here. And of course, it's right behind the camera. All right, let's try it now. Okay, we got her. That was fun. I had to go get me another extension as well as my long T25. That was fun. You know, you're not doing a job unless you got your whole toolbox out here, right? Just seems to be how it goes. Hey, honky. Okay, so now it's just those two connectors there and there, and we'll plug this guy back on. Let's see if I can keep you guys alive here. Okay. Okay, we got her. That was fun. I had to go get me another extension as well as my long T25. That was fun. You know, you're not doing a job unless you got your whole toolbox out here, right? Just seems to be how it goes. Hey, honky. Okay, so now it's just those two connectors there and there, and we'll plug this guy back on. Let's see if I can keep you guys alive here. Okay. The old one's out. Nice. Now then, the new one. Clip. 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 I instantly have hazards there. Things are working. Let's see if this fixes my hazard dilemma here. Nope. Let's see. There we go. Hazard's fixed. Cool. So now we just gotta get this thing reinstalled. The horn contacts I'm gonna unplug the battery. Alright, quick 8mm. Unhooked the battery, so now I don't have the horn hunky problem. Let's try this again. Okay. Now then, this was our guy on the side. I remember that because he's all greasy. So that's the one that goes here. Just tested her up. She seems to be working. So I'm gonna put this thing back together and test drive this truck. So thanks for following along. I appreciate it. And until the next time, thanks for watching.